like this jacket. It's pretty nice. Zippers are easy to get. A lot of vents. A lot more protection than my Ctaegory jacket. I'll tell you that much.
Yeah?
Yeah, without a doubt. The armor in the back especially is a lot thicker.
I don't even have armor on my back.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's your girl Lexi196. Today I'm here to review the Ironborn women's textile motorcycle jacket by VikingCylce. So, I was approached by this company through Instagram by their marketing manager, Scott Adam. So, while I was on my trip to Las Vegas, I had plenty of time to review this jacket. Here are some excerpts. But like this back armor, it's actual armor. It's not like that thin little foam layer that like Ctaegory has in theirs.
Yeah.
And unlike Ctaegory, you can actually get the zippers. You don't have to fiddle around with it for like 20 minutes to find a zipper. They got these nice little pull tabs on them. Nice. I'm surprised I just did that while riding with one hand.
Huh?
I said I'm surprised I did that while riding with one hand.
What'd you do?
Alright, so you know that center snap button that keeps the vents like clear open on my chest? It goes over the zipper?
Yeah?
I didn't have it done before, so I was testing to see if I could get it. Guess what? I got it.
Nice.
And it wasn't that hard either. It took me like maybe 2-3 minutes, if that.
Not bad.
Oh no, not at all. It was easy to feel for the buttons. So I actually really like this jacket. They put a lot of thought into it. From the waterproof pockets and the waterproof zippers to the inner liner that is also waterproof. It's just a really good overall jacket.
Yeah, didn't like it.
This will most likely replace my everyday riding jacket because that Ctaegory, it don't cut it compared to this one. This is like luxury of jackets. Not to mention, this jacket costs less by like $40, $50 less. And by the way, if I haven't mentioned it already, this company is called VikingCycle. So I will put a link in the description of this video. As you can see, the zipper functions very nicely to create a very nice, secure seal. Also, what is quite nice over the zipper flap to keep your chest flaps open while riding. Also, this prevents the zipper from possibly sliding down. One-handed zipper. They are slightly difficult to tug upwards, but tugging upwards, not that bad. Tugging down, still not that bad. Also, not to mention, these zippers are as well waterproofed. So when you're riding, even possibly in the rain, you will not get, how do I put this? You will not get slammed by the water droplets, and they will not seep into your jacket. This being a textile jacket, if you're not wearing the liner, yes, it's possible you're going to get wet. Also, the arm zipper, very nice, very useful for if, in my case, I live on a military base. I can easily just slide my ID in, zip it up, coming to the gate from my motorcycle, I can just have my hand on the clutch, stop at the gate, unzip it, grab my ID out, show my ID, zip it back up, I'm good to ride. It is insane. You have a sunglasses pocket, which looks to be waterproofed. You have a knife and pen holder pocket. I'm not exactly sure what this symbol is. I believe it looks like it's a cell phone. I'm not sure if it's a cell phone, a satellite phone. kind of tiny. Maybe if you're supposed to hook it in here, I'm not 100% sure. Now on the opposite side, you have what I believe is a phone pocket, or just a very large pocket. Now this one looks as if it has the waterproof zipper, so if you're wearing the liner, you're good, you're covered. Also, I believe that yes, from the inside it looks like it is waterproof. So if you're riding in the rain, don't have the liner in, it looks like you should be good, I believe. Anyways, on this side, you also have another pocket. Also, both of these small pockets on the sides have little spots for headphone jacks, or headphones to slide through. So if you're still not using a Cinna or Cardo Pack Talk, you can just slide your phone in the pocket, slide your headphones through up through the top of the jacket, and you're good. Now, this side also has a knife holder and pin, and also the same icon is shown. Looks to be a sunlight, or I'm not sure if it's sunlight or walkie-talkie. It's supposed to clip in here. Overall, I'm very impressed, very pleased with this jacket. It's riding to Las Vegas. The back protection in this, it's not small, it's not flimsy, it's actually decently thick. It's much nicer than what comes in the standard ctaegory back protector. And I would greatly appreciate the detail they put into this. When it comes to these back protectors, here we have the VikingCycle back protector. Here is the ctaegory back protector. The VikingCycle looks to be a few more millimeters thick, quite a few more millimeters thick than the ctaegory. I know which one I'd want to ride with. How about you? As you can see, this jacket comes with the lower back and waist adjuster. Also on the side here, there are these lovely back wideners. Now, one thing I noticed that some of the jackets that I've owned do not have is the rear exhaust vents, which helps this textile jacket breathe much better than most. Up here on the shoulders is the retro reflective. It's also lined down the sides. Now, I must admit, the material of this jacket is a bit heavier than most textile jackets. That being said, I believe it will be more durable than the standard jacket, such as I've mentioned previously, my ctaegory jacket. Alright, so as you can see from this clip here, it was 118 degrees. Now, that being said, wearing this motorcycle jacket in 118 degree heat, it was, as anyone can imagine, quite hot. The jacket fared well. This layer, I must admit, is much thicker than I expected to come with this jacket, just from previous experiences with my ctaegory jacket alone. Not to mention, they boast about their tape-sealed seams as well, which I assume is what helps it keep its waterproof ability during the cold and wet season. The waterproof liner and jacket. I would highly recommend this jacket to my friends. It's decently priced, it fits well, it's durable, it's plethora of pockets, it breathes well, the inner liner is impressive, it has waterproof pockets. Honestly, I'm kind of in love with this jacket. It's definitely going to be replacing my everyday riding jacket. And if you ever see me around, I can show it to you, let you look at it. But yeah, that's this review video for you guys. So let me know if you liked it. So please comment, like, subscribe. Kimono 96 out.